Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to create a navigation menu and add it to your header. Let's begin. First, log in to your WordPress admin area. Look at the left sidebar and go to Appearance Menus. Now we're going to create a brand new navigation menu. Enter a name for your menu, something like Main Menu or Header Menu. In the menu settings, set the menu location as Primary Menu. Click Create Menu. On the left side, you'll see sections like Pages, Posts, Custom Links, and Categories. Under Pages, select the pages you want to include. Click Add to Menu. Now you can drag and rearrange the order of the pages however you want. Once you're happy with the structure, click Save Menu. Next, let's add this menu to your website header. Go to your header section. Click Edit with Elementor to open the header in the Elementor editor. In the Elementor sidebar, search for Navigation Menu. Drag the Navigation Menu widget into your header section. Once you place it, your newly created menu will appear automatically. Click Update, Publish to save your changes. Check your website. To make your menu look perfect, select the Navigation Menu widget. Go to the Advanced tab. Adjust the margin and spacing. Next, go to the Style tab. Adjust the text color, hover color, and active color. Change the typography, including font size, weight, and style. After styling, click Update again and check your website to make sure everything looks great. If you want to add an external link, go back to Appearance, Menus. Click Custom Links on the left. Add the URL and the link text. Click Add to Menu. Drag it to the position you want. Click Save Menu. Refresh your header page and Elementor will show the new link. Now if you want to add a sub-menu, drop-down menu, go to the menu page. In the menus page, drag any item slightly to the right under another menu item. It will automatically become a sub-menu item. Save your menu. When you check your website, hovering over the main menu item will show the drop-down. And that's it! If you run into any issues to add a navigation menu to your WordPress website, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.